One of the biggest steps in remodeling or renovating your kitchen is finishing your cabinets. Whether you choose darker stains, trendy paint, or a natural finish, you will need to have a solid plan and a good understanding of the process. Proper application of your finish is vital to ensuring your cabinets last as long as possible. Aside from materials, if you're not hiring professional help, you'll need some supplies. The supplies include a protective mask, gloves, drop cloths, painter's tape, sprayer, brushes, a hardware jig, and drying racks. When finishing your cabinets, you want to ensure you're working in the right conditions. Try to keep the temperature around 70 degrees Fahrenheit and 50 to 70% humidity. When this is not possible, keeping the air moving at all times will help your finish dry. If it has recently rained, you'll need to wait a few days for the humidity to subdue before applying your chosen finish. Once you have all your supplies, it's time to select your finish. There are 3 main categories of finishes for your cabinet doors: stain, paint, and natural. If you're thinking of stunning colors, modern trends, or bright whites, then a paint finish can be a great choice for your cabinets. In addition to the wide variety of colors, paint is also easier to remove if you decide to change your look at a later date. However, paint finishes do have a couple of drawbacks. The first of which is that the paint is not as strong as a stain finish. Another possible drawback of using paint is that it obscures the natural beauty of the wood. Although, if you're working with MDF, an excellent choice for painting, this is not an issue, as MDF does not have a grain pattern or other natural features. If you're in the market for something timeless and traditional, then a stain finish might work best for you. Using high-quality stain for finishing your cabinets is a great way to not only protect the doors, but it will also highlight the natural beauty of your wood's grain pattern. Another great benefit of staining your cabinets is that it is a very durable option. Like most things, these benefits do come at a cost. Stains can be a bit more difficult to work with as they are not as forgiving as paint. What's more, the stain is also difficult to remove once it is applied, because it soaks into the grain of the wood. This means that if you wanted to change the color of your stain later, it is more difficult. If you're looking for something with a more rustic or cabin-esque look, then using a clear coat finish is for you. These can be purchased in a variety of sheens, so finding your fit won't be an issue. Regardless of which finishing method you choose, a final clear coat is essential to protecting your newly finished surfaces from damage. And remember, if you have any questions or need help getting started, just give us a call or send us an email. We're always happy to help.